How to differentiate without color on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find and tap on Accessibility. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provides equal opportunities for everyone. Inside the Accessibility menu, tap on Display and Text Size under the Vision section. This area allows you to adjust visual settings like text size and color to improve readability. Here, scroll down to find the Differentiate without color option. Tap the toggle switch next to it to turn this feature on. This replaces user interface items that rely on color to convey information with alternatives. Following these steps, you can easily differentiate without color on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.